Today we're in Bordeaux and we're wondering what's happening with our garbage. Every day we produce about 511 kilos of waste per year and per person here in France, and 34% of those trash is getting recycled. And this rate would be much higher if more people were recycling, because less than 1 in 2 persons is recycling. Anna, what's exactly recycling?
Recycling is the process of collecting waste materials and breaking them down into building blocks that can be reused in new products. But how is it really done? To see that, we're going to follow the path of our garbage.
We are now at the sorting center Astria of Bordeaux. Every day they receive many garbage trucks filled with people's trash. There are two different centers, the one receiving the black bins and the other receiving the yellows. We are going to meet Adrien and Bruno and they will help us understand the process of recycling.
First, we are going to visit the sorting center where they receive the yellow bins. Thanks to the technical progress, they've developed machines capable of identifying and separating products without very less human hands needed.
My name is Bruno Expert and I'm responsible of the sorting center of Astria, and I'm here since 22 years.
This is where the trucks drop off the garbage. They receive about 1,000 tons per week. The garbage is then put on conveyor belts which first separate by size. By this way they identify the big pieces of cardboard and those very small pieces which are useless. The rest is continuing its path. They are put in a new machine capable of separating hollow objects, which are the plastic bottles and cans, from flat object, papers and magazines. The hollow objects go into another machine where a magnetic band catches the metals.
This is where the plastic is sorted.
Only the plastic bottles are still left. They are going under a machine who recognizes the light spectrum, which separates the transparent bottles, the opaque bottles and the colored plastic bottles. So this is the last step where they sort out by the hand all the things that the machines didn't identify. This gives 7 separated materials who are pressed down into compact blocks.
So here we have the final blocks and they are going to be sent to other companies and there will be turned into new paper, for example, or new products. Do you think people know well enough how to sort out their trash?
No, I think this is a lack of communication and people don't always know how to recycle.
So let's see what exactly goes in the recycle bin. Plastic, cardboard, paper and metals go into this bin, but not every plastic, only hard plastic like bottles are supposed to go in it. Thin plastic like food packaging and plastic bags are not allowed in those bins. You don't recycle any glass here at Astria?
No, we don't accept any glass, our company recycle it.
Glass doesn't go into the recycle bin. There are special glass bins where the glass is collected and melted to give new glass. It's also the only material which can be recycled infinitely. Do you often receive trash that's not supposed to be in the recycle bins?
Yes, very often. Around 20% is sent to the incineration center.
So we're now at the University of Bordeaux and we're going to see how the students deal with recycling. So we just saw someone throwing her plastic bottle in the wrong bin, so I'm going to ask her why. So what's your name?
I'm Lucy.
Okay, and Lucy, why did you throw it in that bin?
I don't know. I didn't pay attention about it.
Okay, so you didn't know there were different bins?
No, I didn't know. I just threw it because I didn't see.
And now you know, you will maybe change?
Yeah, of course.
So we just looked at the bins and Lucy is clearly not the only one. We can find a plastic bottle and again in the other waste bin, but they actually have their own bins. Recycling is not only about making new products with old ones, but it's also about making new energy by burning the black bins. That's what's doing the center where we're going now.
Hello, I'm Adrian and I'm responsible of a team that is working in the incineration center of Bordeaux, where we get rid of the trash and produce energy with it. This is the incineration center. Here we burn the black bins we receive from all over Bordeaux, which represent approximately 250 tons per year. Thanks to the energy we produce by burning the garbage, we are able to provide energy to the station district of Bordeaux.
The trash is released in big spaces where it's mixed together and put in ovens of 1000 degrees. This process is controlled by control rooms 24/7.
These are the ovens. The trash is pushed down by hydraulic presses.
While burning, pipes filled with water are near the oven to reach 360 degrees and produce steam. This steam is passing through a turbine producing electricity and is then recondensed to go into pipes again.
The ash is produced by burning or picked up and sent to other centers. All the smoke is cleaned before getting thrown into the air. This is highly controlled. The water used for cleaning the smoke is also getting cleaned. Finally, the pollutants from the water are also collected.